Hi besties, welcome to our space. Guess what we are eating today? Let me tell you, this food was prepared in less than 5 minutes. Let me tell you how I prepared it. I know you'll be wondering, what is this one eating? Come, let me tell you, this is African salad. Yes, abacha. But I didn't use the normal style, yes, the usual style. No. I fried it. Fried African salad. And on this fateful day, I woke up and I was so tired. I was very hungry and I needed to put something inside the stomach, and I had to look for the simplest thing to do. And personally, I have said no to noodles for now, so I decided to do this. So I remembered I had this abacha at home. So let me tell you how I prepared it. First of all, I normally that abacha is normally thick now. It's usually thick. So I first of all put it inside water so that to soften it. So after that, I then introduce this into a filter, that's a sieve. I sieved it so that the water can go off. Then I got an empty pot, placed it on the fire, introduced palm oil, enough onion, pepper, plenty crayfish, and just a pinch of salt, 1 cube of seasoning, and I was good to go. That was all I used. And after that, I now introduced the abacha that is already in the sieve inside the frying pot. Then turn everything together, my dear. That's how I prepared this abacha you are looking at. In less than 5 minutes, my African salad was good to go. And I told you the taste, the taste go carry you go where you don't know. I didn't tell you, the taste is just, I don't know if people have had this experience. Sometimes when you make food unprepared, that kind of food you make without getting plenty ingredients and all of that, you discover that food always comes out to be very nice. That's exactly what I'm experiencing now. Even when I was making this food, my daughter was like, "Hey mommy, won't you add fish?" And I don't have any dried fish at home, so I had to make do with what I have available, So I added just crayfish, though enough crayfish, enough onions, fresh pepper, and then look at how it's looking very simple. But the taste is, as I don't know how to explain it, but only me go on. I mean, where the thing they sweet me for leg. Honestly, so that's where we go prepare without arranging plenty ingredients. Now then the sweet pass, because this particular food now, I prepared it without getting plenty things, bringing this, bringing that, and the taste still sweet. The taste still made sense. It made sense. Bye. It made sense. Bye. Oh God. So guys, join me eat, because the food sweet sha. And apart from the fact that it didn't take me time and it didn't require so much to prepare, it's very nutritious. At least you are eating healthy food. Healthy, one way you go eat finish, you can't go they spend money for hospital. And they tell you, this one now na healthy food, African salad, abacha yere. And why I prefer this frying method is, number one, you don't have to use what is it called? This some people even use potash to mix the oil you get. But this one now, you have everything here is natural, nothing artificial, and it tells you. And if you want to get it to a top notch, add obehe. That obehe, that one they sent from Enugu State, the one from Enugu or Benue. These two states, they have the correct obehe. Get that one, introduce it, my dear. It go carry you here. Now so it go carry you, go land you for your village, because this taste there, oh my gosh, anybody have tried this method will understand what I'm saying. In case you don't understand what I just explained on how to prepare this African salad, this method I used, there's a video I made previously on the method I used, so go and watch it. Then you learn this time, and I tell you, now this time you will use constantly. After trying this method, now this method you're going to use constantly. You see those noodles that I say, no, this is the fastest food, my dear, this is the fastest food. In less than 5 minutes you are good to go, and you are eating healthy. Apart from the fact that it's very fast, say the food where you eat there healthy. Well, thank you all for watching. Love you.